This video is brought to you by Altium 365, where the world designs electronics, and Octopar, the fastest search engine for electronic parts.
Verifying the project to check for errors. Validation of a project checks for drafting electrical rules, errors in the design documents, and details all warnings and errors in the messages panel. You have set up the rules in the error checking and connection matrix tabs of the project option dialog, so you are ready to check the design. To verify the project and check for errors, select the project, click on Validate PCB Project, look for Multivibrator Project PCB from the main menus.